Jain students, welcome to the science class. I hope all of you are fine at your home. It's very hot today. Can you guess what we are going to study today? Today we will discuss about the concept of heat. Why some objects appears to hot? Why some object appears to cold? In summer, why we feel hot? And in winter, why we feel cool? So all these questions, they will be answered in this topic. So let us discuss this. Before discussing the concept of heat, let me ask you a few questions that a spoon placed in cup of tea, where you will do tick, that will be hot or warm, cold. What do you think? Is the spoon placed in a steel spoon placed in a cup of tea, is it hot or cold? Tea is hot, so when you place it, definitely the spoon, it will become hot. Next is ice cream. I think you love to eat ice cream nowadays because it's very hot. So you will say that it's cold. Next point is sweet corns kept in freezer. All of you know that there is a freezer. Is it hot or cold? It's cold because they are kept in the freezer. Next one is a bench kept in sunlight in summer. Is it hot or cold? It's hot. One more point is doorknob in winter. I think it will be cold. So, some object, when we touch them, they appears hot, and some object, they appears cold, right? So why it happens, we are going to discuss right now. So to explain this, let me define a term that is called heat. What is the meaning of the term heat? Heat, it is a form of energy which produces sensation of hotness or coldness. What does it mean? It means It is because of the concept of heat we say that it is hot, it is cold. If you take some ice in your hand, it will appear cold. Why something appears cold? It is because of the heat. Okay, let me tell some more points about the heat. Note, in heat, its SI unit is joule and symbol of joule is J. Its SI unit is the joule. Number 2, its practical unit is calorie. You might have heard calorie in some advertisement that we want to burn calorie, etc. And remember, 1 calorie it equals to 4.18 joule. So there are 4.18 joule in 1 calorie. Question is, what is the meaning of the term calorie? Listen students, let me define that calorie. If I am having 1 gram of water and I want to increase its temperature by 1 degree Celsius, how much heat is needed? The heat needed is 1 calorie. So 1 calorie is defined as heat needed to raise the temperature of of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. If you are having 1 gram of water and you want to increase its temperature by 1 degree, then heat needed is the say 1 calorie. So this is about the heat. Now we are going to discuss why some objects appears hot and why some objects they appear cold. So let us discuss this. Listen, I am telling you a very simple reason behind this. If heat is given by our body when we touch an object, then it will appear cold. And when we gain the heat, when we touch an object, the object will appear hot. So let me write it. Remember this very important note. If we touch our body and heat is transferred from our hands to body, then in place of body let me use object because you will confuse with hand and body. So to object, then heat is transferred from our hands to object, then object appears to be cold. if heat is transferred from object to our hands, then object appears to be hot. For example, when we take ice in our hands, can you tell me from where to where heat will flow? Heat flows from our hands to ice. So we feel cool. Second is, if we put our hand in hot water, then heat flows from hot water to our hands. So we feel hot. What I wanted to say? I wanted to say, if we are getting the heat, then that object will appear hot. But if heat is moving out from our body, then the object that we are touching, it will appear to be cold. So this is the concept of the heat. With the concept of the heat, I can only explain this is hot, cold or warm, nothing more than that. This is the one of the major limitation of the concept of the heat. Then we can't explain more than hot and cold. But there are certain things which are above hot and cold. Let me tell you. Now, let me give you one case. Then you will be able to tell me what is the problem in this concept. Now, this is the activity. Do this activity at your home. Let us do an activity. Now, in this activity, 3 containers A, B, C. A contains hot water, B contains warm water and C contains cold water. What do? You put your right hand in the cold water and left hand in the hot water for a minute. Right? After 1 minute, you put your both the hands in the warm water. What will happen? Your right hand, for your right hand, this warm water, it will appear hot, and to left hand, this warm water, it will appear cold. I am repeating again. Put your right hand in the cold water and left hand in the hot water for a minute. After 1 minute, take out your hands from hot water and cold water. Put your both the hands in the warm water simultaneously your right hand, for your right hand, this warm water appears hot, and to this left hand, this warm water, it appears to be cold water. But neither this water hot or cold, it is warm water. Why this has happened? Because our left hand, it become hot, and when we put the left hand in the warm water, what has happened? There was a flow of heat from this hand to water. What? So what will happen? This water, it will appears cold for this hand. Since it was placed in cold water, so when you put it here, it was cold. So there is flow of heat from warm water to our hand. So to this, it will appear hot. So by the concept of heat, it's warm water, but our bodies, one part of our body says it is hot water, and other part of the body says that it's cold water. So we can't explain by the concept of heat. So let's move to other concept. What is that concept? That concept is of temperature. What is the meaning of the temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. Let me define. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. It is the degree of hotness or coldness. What does it mean? If body is more hot, its temperature is more. If temperature is less, then it's cold. I will explain you right now. Okay, let me just add 2 points. Not SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Its symbol is capital K. Other units are degrees Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. Right? So, what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness. Right? Its SI unit is Kelvin and its other units are degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. So let me explain you more. Listen. Let us say I am asking a simple question. Let us say I am having 2 iron rods, right? One iron rod is having temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, other's temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. I am asking which one is hot. If you say that you want to touch, then definitely our skin will burn. So don't try to touch. But if it is touched by mistake, both will appear hot. By touching, you can't say that its temperature is 100 degrees Celsius and its temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. But if temperatures are given, you can say that iron, let us say this is rod B, this is rod A. You can say rod B is hotter than rod A. Right? It is hotter than rod A. Why? Because the temperature of rod A is more. Again, let us say we are having ice at 0 degrees Celsius, another ice is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Which one is more cold? When you take out ice from the freezer of a refrigerator, let us say freezer was closed for the whole night, and when you open, you will find that its temperature is less than 0 degrees Celsius. If you keep both the pieces of ice at 0 degrees Celsius and minus 10 degrees Celsius, then you will say both are cold. But with the help of thermometer, if you find its temperature minus 10 degrees Celsius, temperature 0 degrees Celsius, you will again say that ice B is more cold than ice A. You can say ice B is colder than ice A. So what does it mean? It is the temperature which determines the degree of hotness or coldness. Let us say one more point is that, let us say you are in gene, its temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, and after within half an hour, and at the same time in Hisar temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. If you are in Jean or in Hisar, you won't find any difference because difference is very, very low. But since you know the temperature, you can say Hisar is hotter than the Jean. Right? So it is ultimately the temperature. Now students, a very important concept which is used in questions, let us do. First is convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Formula is temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273. For example, if I say convert 10 degrees Celsius into Kelvin, how you will do? Kelvin is C. What is C here? 10. So what is temperature in Kelvin? 10 plus 273. This temperature is 283. Right? So more properly, what you represent? You represent temperature in Kelvin by Tk, and Tk you have to find, and temperature in Celsius it is given 10 degrees Celsius. You can say temperature in Kelvin is temperature in Celsius plus 273. So what it will be? 10 plus 273, answer is 283 Kelvin. Another question is convert 283 Kelvin into degrees Celsius. How you can convert? Here temperature in Kelvin is 283 Kelvin, temperature in Celsius I have to find. So temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273. Now students, temperature in Kelvin is 283. Temperature in Celsius I have to calculate plus 273. 273 is positive here. When I will shift to left hand side, it will become negative. So what can I say? I can say that 283. Now when I will shift to left hand side, it will become minus because it is positive. 273 is equal to Tc. So answer is 10. So temperature in Celsius is 10 degree Celsius. Let us do some more questions. Find temperature in Kelvin. Next is, third question is, find temperature in Kelvin. If temperature in Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius. What is 100 degrees Celsius? The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which water boils. Now, its solution is temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in Celsius plus 273. And temperature in Kelvin is Tc is 100, 273, it is 373 Kelvin. Right? Fourth one is, find temperature in degrees Celsius if temperature in Kelvin is, let us say, 400 Kelvin. Solution: temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273. This is 400 Tc plus 273. Now, my target is to find temperature in Celsius. So, this is plus on right hand side. When I shift it, what will happen? This 273, will be change in the sign. Positive quantity, it will become negative when we shift its side. If you solve this, 400, 273, I think you can save 7, carry 1. So this is, carry 1 has gone there, so this is 2 and this is 1. 127 degrees Celsius is temperature in Celsius. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.